Hi everyone, here are a few settings that you might find useful that you can change in your copy of Optuma. If we click on the settings menu, go down to workspace and then charts, that second option there, auto scale, includes tools and indicators. You'll see in this example on the screen of Microsoft, that green line is the 52-week low. But you can see that the Microsoft chart itself is compressed to include the low on the far left of the screen. So what we can do is untick that box, and then the automatic price scale does not include that green line in its calculation. It's just looking at the price values for Microsoft. So as we zoom in and out, it's the auto scale does not take into account the green line. So you can see the difference that makes there. Another one, the next one down, cursor tracks price and date. So if we enable that, you'll notice the in the price scale and the date scale that where my cursor is highlighted in the axes. Another useful one is recent workbooks to show. So this is the list of workbooks on the welcome screen. So I've got it set to 10 at the moment, but if I go back to the settings and change that to something else, 15 or 20, then I'll be able to see more on the welcome screen when I log in. Let's go down to visual. There's a couple there. So main font size, we can move that slider forward and back, and you'll notice the header there where it says Microsoft and candlestick chart. As I make it bigger or smaller, you can set that as you wish. Also price scale margin. So this is where there's a gap at the top or bottom of the screen, so for the highest price to the top of the screen. So I like to make that a little bit bigger because it almost seems like the top of the screen or the bottom of the screen is bounding the chart, like that's but let's make that a bit more so it gives you a bit more space with the high and the low on the screen. Scales font size, so that's on the right hand side, and the date scale, so we can make it bigger or smaller as required, and that's a universal setting. That's for all charts. So plenty of other settings there as well that I encourage you to take a look at, but if you do have any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.